For 2 decades, a name was missing. An icon of accessible, engaging performance. A coupe that represented the pure joy of driving. Today, the wait is over. The legend is back, and it's ready to advance that legacy into the electrified future. This is the all-new 2026 Honda Prelude. It's a grand touring sports coupe engineered to thrill, and it starts with a potent blend of electric power and performance DNA. Under the hood is Honda's ultra-smooth, responsive 2-motor hybrid electric system, utilizing a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine. This full hybrid setup delivers a combined 200 horsepower and 232 lb-ft of instant torque. It's a powerful, efficient combination that's fun off the line and tuned for a direct, seamless driving experience. But what truly elevates the Prelude is the chassis. This is where the engineering team brought in serious hardware, components straight from the legendary Civic Type R. The Prelude is the first hybrid electric Honda to feature the high-performance underpinnings of the Type R. That means a dual-axis strut front suspension to curb torque steer, wide front and rear tracks for stability, and massive Brembo 4-piston front brakes finished in a unique Prelude blue. All of this hardware is paired with a standard adaptive damper system, tuned exclusively to balance sporty exhilaration with the everyday comfort of a true grand tourer. Toggle through the drive modes, comfort, GT, sport, and individual to instantly tailor the car's dynamic character to the road ahead. Now let's talk about a groundbreaking new feature, the Honda S Plus Shift. We know many drivers miss the mechanical theater of a performance transmission. S Plus Shift is Honda's innovative solution to bring that engagement back. This is an all-new drive mode that simulates a performance transmission experience. Using the metal paddle shifters, you get quick, virtual upshifts, smooth rev-matched downshifts, and an enhanced engine sound that puts you in total control. It's not just a gimmick. It's a coordinated response between the engine and motors, delivering the feeling of a proper gear shift to intensify your drive without sacrificing the hybrid smoothness or efficiency. It's the next level of driver connection in an electrified world, and it debuts right here in the Prelude. Inside, the Prelude is a true driver's cockpit. It arrives as a single, well-equipped trim featuring leather-trimmed sport seats, a D-shaped steering wheel, and a 10.2-inch digital cluster with a 9-inch HD touchscreen. It's a stylish, premium environment designed for long hauls and spirited drives. The 2026 Honda Prelude marks the stunning return of a fan favorite, blending nostalgia for the past with the cutting-edge performance of the future. It's for the enthusiasts who want to blend efficiency with true performance pedigree. The 2026 Honda Prelude arrives at dealerships nationwide late this fall. Don't just wait for the future of driving, take the wheel. Contact your local dealer or visit Honda's website to be one of the first to experience the icon reborn.